Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. Today I am going to be pouring on these things that I love it. So a little tea light holder that I'm going to be creating, and I'm going to be creating 3 of them. As you can see, my daughter has been up lately. She's furiously making some Christmas gifts. Anywho, I am going to go ahead and start pouring on these 3 beauties. Maybe I'll try and move this guy over to this side so I can work on all 3 here. One moment. Okay, that's much better. Now we can see all 3 of them. Now I'm going to try and place the phone so we can watch them get poured. That might be a bit trickier. One moment, please. Hi guys, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. I am going to do 3 of these, and I've set it up so you can see, and I'm precariously dangling my phone off of the other paints. But the first one I'm going to do is a gold, a cream color, and a bronze. I really like those. It's going to look something similar to what Jordan has done here. The second one is going to be my favorite blue, my white, and a teal blue, which I really love. And the third one is going to be a red, a tiny bit of black, and some silver. Now, I'm really excited to let you know that it's my birthday today, and I got some money for Christmas. I went out to Michael's. I went to the Dollar Tree first and picked up some stuff, but I went to Michael's and I got Liquitex pouring medium. Very expensive, but I had a 55% coupon on it. None of these paints have them in it. So I'm going to exasperate all of these paints, or exhaust them all, and then start mixing my paints with the Liquitex and see if I love it more. Now, let's at least start with these 3. Just center that a little bit more. There we go. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to put the gold on. Oh, and I got a torch for Christmas too, which I'm very excited about. Cannot wait to use that. Sorry guys, I just went and put that in your face. Sorry about the arm. Alright. I also got some canvases from Michael's, which I am also excited to use. Unfortunately, it's not going to be during this pour, but that's okay. I can wait. I've waited this long, I can wait longer. And now I'm going to do the cream. And the bronze. Now this is going to go into my bedroom. I've already decided. So let's blow this out now. Lots of paint gets stuck on the top there. So I'm always looking to get it out. And then it also creates an awesome effect. Now you'll see, I'm just going to go around. Oh, I like it. I'm liking it. Sometimes at the bottom there are spots where the paint needs a little help. And I think we got it. I don't want to thin the top part out too much. I definitely need it thinned out, but there we go. So I'm pretty sure I am happy with that. Awesome. So that is my first one done. You see, it doesn't take but a couple minutes to actually put the paint on. And then, you know, the after process is a little bit longer, but that's okay. So now we're going to do the white, the blue, and the teal on this one, which I am excited about. Remember, if you're pouring on glasses or stuff like that, acrylic paint tends not to bubble too much. But if it does, if you see little bubbles there, don't worry. What you do is I just blow on it gently, and they all seem to pop out. My bronze is disappearing amongst the cream, and I have to tell you that bronze is one of my faves. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna cheat a little. It's okay. I'm allowed. All it does, I'm doing is going to bring down some drips just so I can see that bronze. There. Much better. I like it now. Okay, so the next one. Here goes my white. Alrighty. I don't know if you can see the extra paint, how much actually comes off of it when I do that, but it is a lot. So I'm going to throw this on. I do love this teal and this blue. Love, love. Funny, I can see some cells up here. I have never used silicone in anything. I love the clean lines better than the cells, to be quite honest. This is looking good. All right, now I'm just going to throw a little bit more white. This is a pretty one. Just be a little bit decorative now. Some more blue. And do I want any more teal? I'm not sure it's necessary. Let me just see how much paint's up here. I think that's going to do it. It's looking magnificent. Yeah, I do like that. Of course, my favorite color out of those three is the blue. And I don't feel like I'm being represented over here, so let's just do some drippies. And throw some more lines in there. Oh, that looks nice. See that? I love it. I love it. So far, so good. Now on this opposite side, right here, look at all the ribbing in here. It's so cool. I am going to do the silver, the black, and the red. Okay. This time I just blew it out a little bit while the silver is going down. Now I don't have to worry about it when the other colors come in. Okay, so I just need to make sure that all of the paint I want is off the top. And now we are going to ribbon it with some red. And a little black. And then we're going to blow it out like that. And watch it take form. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to just, nope, wrong color. Do some, running out of black, but that's okay. I got some today. All right. Still. Now with acrylic paint, it dries fairly quickly. This stuff does anyways. So it's always good to kind of do your thing quickly as well. And I do have quite a bit of silver in there still. Okay, that's good at the top. I think this is going to look good. I know there's not a whole lot of coloring in here. Maybe I'll just... There. We'll drip that red down there with a touch of black, maybe. Not much black left. Whoops. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that I have finished these three. Now they just have to pour down, and we'll see how it goes then. I know, I'm sorry, I said I was finished. I could have just been fibbing just a little bit. I just wanted to, there. Now I'm for sure finished. So give me a second and I'll pull you up for the close-ups on each so you can see how these there we go. The bubbles are very interesting though, I have to tell you, because when you blow out a bubble, whatever color's underneath tends to pop right up. I do have a torch, mind you. I just got it. And of course it's not down here because what do I know about torching? So anyways, let me bring you to this one. Here's this one. I have to say it looks pretty cool. Oh, I love the ribboning on that. And then there's this one. I don't know if you can see it all that well. Try and get up a little closer. This is my fave. This one's going to go into my bedroom. I am a lover of bronze. Up. And then the last one. This one's a little funky actually, but I kind of like it. Now there's a lot of silver on this side. Normally I would try to do something about that, but because I've got it going on the other side, oh, look at that, it's not focusing. It's asking me, please show me what you want to. There we go. Oops, sorry guys. You see what I mean about blowing out the bubbles and then the other colors coming up? It's pretty cool. Anywho, so these are the 3 I did just now. I will bring it back when they're dry. Okay, so they're done. We sealed them all up. I put the contraption in with the little candle, and this is what they look like. I was thinking of painting the top parts because they're all black, and I was literally thinking of changing them to parts of the colors of the candles. What do you think? See you next video. Bye.